What's up, guys? My name is Alex, or you may know me as kouseipics. Today we're going to be going to car meet out in Chicago today. Try to get some pictures. It's supposed to be supercar only, and to my knowledge, and I'm hoping that it'll be there, there is the first Koenigsegg Gemera, however you say it, in the U.S. And I saw it on TikTok. I'll throw it up on screen. It was the first one into the U.S. and it was in Lake Forest, Illinois. So, kind of hoping that that'll be there today. If not, so what? It's still gonna be supercars. The cover of this last one was Pagani Huayra, if that's the right way to say it. But yeah, so gonna head on over there. Got one new piece of equipment that I kind of want to try to use today, and it's I don't know if you can really tell with the lighting, because it's kind of poor lighting here, but chest rig for the smartphone holder, so I can kind of get some POV shots, so there's a little bit more to the video. There was a little bit more to do with the Eclipse video, because it was my first documentation kind of vlog video, so I feel like if I could throw that in, a little bit more content to the video. But other than that, gotta head over. It's about a 40-minute drive, so come back when we get there. Jesus Christ. I don't even know what to... Oh my god. It's a right-hand drive too. Yeah. Huh? Hey, we gotta go over here. There's no fucking way. Huh? Rimac Nevera? Yeah. They got a McLaren Senna behind it too. That is nuts. Wow.
All four-wheelers. Excuse me. That's cute. On carbon fiber, everything.
My bad.
It's like 8 horsepower here behind it.
So that
In the car behind it also.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
So I don't even know what to do here. I wasn't expecting to see a Rimac Nevera here. Now that my phone can't even see what I'm doing right now. But it's has like probably the biggest car. So that like
car community, like
yeah.
garage. I'm glad you got. I'm glad you.
That's a crazy fucking shot.
Talking about like. It is.
Okay.
I'm gonna come back here once I'm done taking pictures. Keep forgetting to do dialogue, but it's okay.
Oh, thank you, man. You got. Like yeah. Like we're going there, we're like, oh, we're not gonna see.
Okay, let's get a. What is going on here? This thing is sick as fuck. Look at the interior, bro. This is a Cobalt.
Did it really?
I swear to God. No, you're good. The drag one too. Oh my God. Let's get the gimbal out. This little bag.
Oh. This is. Oh, really?
So I'm gonna end it there because the rest of the videos are just me using the gimbal, and to be honest, nobody really cares to see that. Unfortunately, the Nevera never showed up, which sucks, but you know, it is what it is. Still had really great cars there. And since that's it, I think after this, I'm just gonna go ahead and throw in the cinematic edits that I do of the cars, or the landscape videos. I'll post the other ones on TikTok and Instagram and stuff. I'll also be posting extra pictures there that I didn't put on here, that I didn't get a chance to record while shooting. So please feel free to follow my socials. The link will be in the bio, and TikTok and Instagram, both of them are the same name, kouseipics. I post more often there because I do a lot more short-based content. So if you do look for more of mine, you'll find it there. Thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.